Introducing Bamban Donax caniformis of the family Marantaceae. Bamban is a branching, clump-forming perennial herb to 2 meters tall. Leaves are crowded at the end of branches. Broad, ovate, leathery, slightly undulate, dark green to 18 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. Its flowers are white, crowded at the terminal portion of branches. Bamban is indigenous to New Guinea and the Philippines. It is occasionally cultivated in towns and urban areas. Bamban plays a pivotal role in its ecosystem. Its ability to thrive in sandy and saline soils makes it crucial for erosion control along coastlines. The plant helps stabilize the soil, preventing sand from being blown away and protecting bird and wildlife habitats. Additionally, its root systems provide shelter for various organisms, fostering biodiversity within coastal environments. Various indigenous cultures have utilized bamban for medicinal purposes and crafting. The strong, flexible stems have been fashioned into mats, baskets, and other artisanal products. Moreover, conservationists and landscape designers often use this attractive plant to stabilize dunes and restore coastal habitats.